Hello children, so today I will let's play some quiz on the chapter advanced formatting on MS Word. Okay, so as we have completed the chapter, so let's play some quiz. So here is the first question. Page orientation is the direction in which your document is dash. Page orientation is the direction in which your document is what? Is displayed. Now paragraph spacing is the amount of space that is created when you press the dash key. Which key? Paragraph spacing is the amount of space that is created when you press the dash key. It's enter. The default themes of MS Word appear under the dash section. The default theme of MS Word appear under the dash section. Which section? Formatting options includes what? Colors, fonts, effects. Formatting options includes all of these. Children, you can pause the video and also you can try to give the answer. So here it will be all of this. MS Word allows you to set dash types of margins. How many types of margins are there? I told you in my video. There are 4. The dash setting displays your page in a vertical order. Which display setting display your page in vertical order? It will be portrait. Then the dash tab has 5 groups that have various options to format a document. To format a document. Which one will be the answer? Design, review, page layout or reference?
Oops, that is incorrect.
Then it will be page. The dash setting displays your page in horizontal order. Horizontal order, which setting? Landscape. You cannot set a margin in the dash of a page. Where? Bottom, top, right we can set the margin, but not at the center. You can add a dash to a page border. Icons, themes, images, colors. You can add to a page order. We can add colors to a page border. The page border option can be accessed from the dash group. Page border, there is no page border group. So what will be the answer? The page borders option can be accessed from the dash group. Let's see. Do you know the answer? Then write down in the comment section. Page background. The blank space around the edges of a page is called what it is called? This blank space around the edge of a page? Margin. You can select the required formatting for the page border from border and shading dialog. So here
That's
we
correct.
have completed our quiz session. So from next day we will start our new chapter. Okay, so children, stay safe and take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.